everybody, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. It's been a long 42 days, but here we are. I did reach out to the giveaway winner with a comment. I didn't make a video about it, but please check your comments. I want to give you the book. There was only one person that entered, so it was a guaranteed win for them, but I have not heard back from them in the comments. But I also need to double check that. But I did get this package in the mail that I bought from my friend Tommy, who, if you remember, sent me the glow-in-the-dark screwdrivers from winning a contest. I bought some tools from Tommy. He lives in Guam. So this is upside down because the address is around the other side. So anyways, I got some new tools. I got some duplicate tools. And there's a reason for that. We'll go into that at a different time. But let's just jump right into it. Hopefully you can see. I might have to stand up for this. Half of it's probably off the screen because this table is so full, and I'm sorry the neighbors are making some noise. But we got this little pro set right here. This is just a few not really important tools, but the set was just a I don't even know how to open this. I think it's Velcro. So this was like a promotional set at the time, he said. And this was just going over the hybrid pliers and the 7-in-1 nut driver, I believe it was. Yeah, so it's just the hybrid pliers and the 7-in-1 right there. So just a cool little promotional piece that you can set on your desk or whatnot. So that is that one. Not much to it, but more rare piece, I guess. Not that many of them went out, supposedly. Oh, he included a few other things. So this is the 125s, and he likes to put stuff in the cases. So thank you for the case. I didn't think I was getting that, Tommy. This has some handles on it already, but these are just a 125 set. Right there, these are the all chrome edition. These may have been used, or they're just rusted shut, I'm not sure. But either way, right there. I don't think you can actually see that, my bad. So it says 125 on the back. So those are cool. Next, we have another set of should be the Daniel pliers. And I don't know if you know anything about the Klein Collectors group, but the guy that started the group, he passed away from cancer, and I already have one of these, but he was selling a second pair. So these are the Daniel Burnett pliers. Focus right there. So there was only 100 of these made. There was a few extra like pre-production ones. So I think I have 2 out of 100 now, not including the extra maybe 10 or 20 pre-production ones. But so I have 2 of those now. So there's that. And I'm waiting for the main purchase, which I'm most excited about. Should be these. There should be 3 of these. I'm gonna trap myself. So these are 3 tools, and I believe they're all pre-1900. So they are 126 plus years old. So here is the first one, the second one, and the third one. These are smaller than I thought. So the main one that I wanted was this guy right here. And this is a sideways logo. The lighting in here is pretty bad. But these are the Klein & Sons right here. You can see the Klein & Sons. Yeah, it's hard to see the S, but there's an S on there. If it wasn't an S, just Klein & Son, then it would be even older. But how you can tell that these are the pre-1900s are there is no date stamp on the handles. I don't know what year they started doing the handles. I think it was at least 1904, because I know they have date stamps on 1904s, but anything below that is 1900 or before, according to Google AI. I typed in what year did they not have the handle mark and like have the logo or something along those lines, and it said 1897 to 1900 was when they had the no handle stamps and different variations of the logos. I have the oldest one I had before this was I think the 1909s that has the handle stamp and no logo. So they had the logo, they took the logo away, and then they put the logo back eventually. So this actually has two logos, which I don't think I've ever seen. So that is very cool. Logo on this side. Well, maybe there was a logo that was beat to hell, but it says Klein & Sons, and then on the other side it says Klein Tools with the guy on the pole right there. So somewhere around the early 1900s at the latest. So 1897 to 1900 is what we're thinking. And then the other two, which I believe are about the same time period from the 1900s. I don't know much about these other two tools, if these would have had a stamp as well, but these do not have a stamp. So if that's the rules on these, then these are also from the 1900s, which I believe Tommy said they were. I've never seen any of these before. These are kind of like a duck bill, but they also have like some like little grips on there. Kind of looks like a slight lineman grip, but also kind of looks like a fingernail file. But they have a logo here, which is cool if it will focus, which it's probably not going to. So we got just the same one, Klein Tools, with the guy on the pole, the couple dots. And then on this guy right here, this one does have a stamp. This one says M. Klein & Sons. I think that's a 1906 maybe, if that's what that's referring to. Sorry, you probably can't see any of that. So you got M. Klein & Sons, and then there's a 6 kind of stamped vertical, which I've never seen before, so that might be a 1906 stamp. That's as far as I know on that. Looks like some of the first diagonal cutters maybe. And then on the back, and focus there, we have another man on the pole. So very cool pieces to add to the collection. These are the ones I was most excited about, this one in particular. This looks like a 7-inch or a 6-inch. I would probably say, I would guess I don't know. It's a 6 or 7, so I'd have to measure it or hold it up to the one on the wall, which I'm too far away from right now. But this is very, very cool, and these will definitely be going on the wall once I rearrange the wall next time. So that's all I got for you guys today. I will be ordering some more tools in the future, so stay tuned for that day. Check the comments. If you entered for the giveaway book, you won, so please reach out so I can send that to you. But that's all I got today, and I will see you guys in the next one.